Here's an app called Test Them All, Test and Get Paid, gift cards, coupons, and more. So let's just check it out. So this is a very popular app to earn some additional cash as a tester. Complete test tasks, get cool rewards as the gift cards, score bonuses, enjoy easy payouts. With Test Them All, you become an online tester and earn exciting rewards. Do you have a passion for trying out new products? Look no further. Test Them All is here to transform your testing experience into a rewarding adventure. Install Test Them All, perform test tasks, take surveys, provide detailed feedback, get cool rewards for your efforts. So discounts from top brands, gift cards, payouts, accumulate points for every game and every review submitted. Join Test Them All community and embark journey of exploration, testing. So yeah, one of those apps, where you can earn some 10, 20, 50 bucks per year. Per month. So here you can just set it up. What's your liking, and then you just skill level, iOS, Mac, and then here's you can just tap, and then you can install some apps. All right, so here's my welcome bonus, and then you can just discover, and then here, for example, Walmart offline store. How it works: evaluate store appearance and layout, assess cleanliness, organization, evaluate product availability, so things like that, and then just write your opinion about the store appearance, and that's basically the idea. Home Depot. So something like that. You just can also just write these reviews, as you can see. Subway, Home Depot, Walmart. It's pretty interesting. And then also you have your tasks, payouts, PayPal, or some additional like gift cards. Then you have your wallet. You have your balance, have your welcome bonus, and then so you see here that payout is locked. And then you have your profile. You can also refer, invite a friend, and get 250 coins. You will receive 4,500 coins as a startup bonus. So feel free to use my code. I don't know, like where's my unique link here? So yeah, basically that's the idea. Anyhow, try it out.